Friends, now today we are going to discuss transfer of heat. First of all, you will might observe several examples on your surrounding that when you are heat up some object, place that object into the fire or into the stove, so you will see that that object is start heating up, clear, and the heat is transferred to the pan, clear. And after that, when you put up that pan in out of fire, so you'll see that after that sometimes it is cooler. So what happened, that why, how the hotter object become cooler and the cooler object become hotter? And the answer is transfer of heat. So what, in this case, what happened, the heat is transferred from hot object to cold object, clear. Okay, in this chapter we have understand how the object is heat up and the cooler, clear. So we have already discussed two kind of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer and another is laboratory thermometer. So the object shown greater temperature than comparing to two objects, clear. Suppose that we have two objects A and B. A has 40 degrees Celsius and B has 30 degrees Celsius. So we can say A has greater temperature comparing to B. So it is a tendency, it is a nature of heat, it is always transferred from object A to B. Why? Because object A has a greater temperature, clear. So A to heat transfer to B. So heat is always travel from hotter body to cooler body, clear. Okay, to clear our concept about that, we will see and do an activity. You can do this activity at your home, but be careful about that, you will might be injured. So for that you have to take a any conductor. Conductor means you can take aluminium rod or iron rod, clear, and place, suppose that you have taken this is iron rod, and place some drops of wax on that one in equal distance, clear, and place that iron rod between two bricks and start heating up this rod from one end. Suppose that this is end A and this is end B. So end B is kept between these two bricks and A start heating up. So after some time you will see that one by one the wax you have put up in that aluminium rod or iron rod is fall down after some time, clear. And what is the reason behind that? The reason behind that, this A point is we are providing heat to A, and when it is become hotter, so it transfer heat to another end, clear. So the heat transfer from A to, suppose that this is another point B, then B heat up, then it is transferred to third point C. When C heat up, it is transferred to another point D, and now you'll see concluded that the heat transfer from hotter end to cooler end, clear. So we can say that heat is transfer always hot toward cool. So transferring of heat from hot to cool, we know this process is conduction, clear. So what is conduction? The process is conduction. So we can say conduction is a process in which heat transfer from hot to cold object, clear. Okay, when you place a utensil in out of fire, so where is the heat gone? The heat is transferred to the surrounding. Clear? Because the surrounding having a temperature of less than the hot object. Clear? So if you place that utensil at your refrigerator, so again you'll feel that it is cooled down. Why? Because the heat is transferred to the refrigerator. Clear? So a very important concept we'll understand: conduction is a process in which heat is transferred from hot object to cold object. Clear? Okay, so we'll understand that heat transfer by a process of conduction. Do all substances conduct heat easily? Now the next question. All substance, you will give me answer that do all objects conduct heat? So the answer is no. How can you say that? We know that when the handle of utensil is made by wooden or plastic, so we does not feel it hotter. It means wood, plastic, rubber and other substances are which does not allow to pass heat pass through them. Clear? So the conduction is a process for some special kind of objective. Clear? So we'll in next video we'll understand about the conductor and insulator. Clear?